Good morning to everyone. Myself Lalita from BCom Computers first year. Today we have accepted a challenge to prepare a seminar presentation video. Let us go with my topic. Actually, I have selected a subject of financial accounting. In financial accounting, we have certain things in that subject like financial accounting means what the subject name is saying that it is dealing with the bank accounts. Okay, in this account what are the things are there, let us see in my seminar presentation video. In financial accounting we have the subjects related to the bank like general entries, ledger, subsidiary books, final accounts, bank reconciliation statement, etc. etc. we have in my subject. Okay, I have selected a small topic in that subject is a bank reconciliation statement. In bank reconciliation statement, I have chosen that. Okay, let us see the basic meaning of the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, bank reconciliation statement is a summary of banking and business activity that are reconciled and entity bank account with the financial records. Okay, this bank reconciliation statement outlines the deposit, withdraw and other activities affecting on a bank records for a specific period. Let us see the basic difference and the basic meaning of the bank reconciliation statement. These bank reconciliation statement may be prepared at the end of the each month or half yearly the transfer to know the exact bank balance to the difference in the both passbooks. Okay, let us see the main thing what is there in the bank reconciliation statement. These bank reconciliation statement have two books. Okay, they have two books like cash book and passbook. Okay, why this bank reconciliation is prepared, what is this passbook and cash book? Let us see what is BRS. Why do we prepare BRS? Means to rectify the mistakes which are done in the passbook and the cash book. Okay, to identify the mistakes which are done in the bank. Okay, that's why we prepared the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, let us see what is there in deeply in the bank reconciliation statement. In bank reconciliation statement there are two books. These books are very important in the bank, not only in the bank reconciliation statement, everywhere these two books are very important like cash book and passbook. These are the books which are there in the bank. Book is related to the customer books and passbook is related to the banker's book. Okay, let us see what is customer books and what is banker's book. For example, every person, every customer, every people have the account in the bank. It is must and should, because they may be deposit the money, they may withdraw the money from the bank account. Okay, that's why they have the two books in the bank. Customer books, that books are known as the customer books and the banker's book. Okay, let us see the basic differences between the cash book balance and the passbook balance. Okay, what are the difference and the simple reasons for the differences? Let us see here. Check deposit. First one, check deposit but not collected, cleared before the date of the reconciliation. Second one, check issued or drawn but not presented for payments. Third one, bank charges, commissions, insurance premium, interested and overdrafted on the payments made by the bank. Fourth one, interest or dividend etc. collected or credited by the bank. Fifth one, direct payment, deposit in the bank by the customers, debitors, etc. Sixth one, dishonor of check. Seventh one, check entered in the cash book but failed in the deposit bank. Eighth one, dishonored bills, dishonored. Okay, ninth one, wrong entries made in the cash book. 10th one, wrong entries made in the passbook. Let us see the pro forma of the bank reconciliation statement. What is the pro forma of the bank reconciliation statement of the cash book. Okay, the pro forma will be like this. Pro forma of the bank reconciliation statement, so on so on as per the date of the uh, cash book. Okay, in the pro forma of the cash book, there are the particulars, inner column amount and the outer column amount. First, we have to write this. Uh, mm, this we have to write the problem like this. We have to start in the middle like balance as per the cash book. So if we are preparing the book of the cash book, we have to write the cash book. If we are preparing the passbook, we have to write the as per the balance of passbook. Okay, in the passbook we have the add value and the less value. Okay, let us see what all comes in the add value of the cash book and what all comes in the less value of the cash book. Okay, in the add value, so it is related to the cash book, so it is related to the customers books. What are comes into the customer books, they are coming to the add value, and what are going from the customers, it will come into the less value. Okay, let us see now what is coming the add value. Check issued or drawn but not yet presented for payments, it will come in the add value. Okay, check issued, it means what, if someone are issuing the check to the customer, or drawn means what, if taken the check but not yet presented for the payments, means what, check issued or drawn means what, check taken by the customer but not yet presented for the payments. So the check is still with the customer, so the check is safe in the hands of the customers, so it will come in the add value. What is mean that the customer not taken the money, so it is still with him, so it will be add to the customer, so it will come in the add value. Let us see now next add value what will come. A check or cash directly deposited by the customers into the bank account. Check directly deposited by the customer into the bank, it will also come in the add value, because no amount is withdrawn by the customer, no amount is cutting from customer's account book, so it will come into the add value. The passbook, the bankers not taking certain rupees, not taking a single paisa of the customer, so it will come to the add value. Let us see the third point what is there. Interest collected or credited by the bank but not okay, interest collected or credited by the bank account but not entered in the cash book. Or okay, what is that? Interest means what, interest will also come into the add value. How it will come means, if for example let us take a small example. Customer is giving certain amount for a specific period of time. If the amount is given for, let us think the amount is given for the loan, if we given the loan person will pay us interest, so it will come to the add value in the cash book. Okay, and let us fourth point, check paid but not, check paid to the bank but omitted. Omitted means what? Failed. Actually the customer has paid the check to the bank but it is failed, so the check is safe in hands of the customer, the amount is not taken. Okay, let us see the next point. Bank charges recorded twice in the cash book. What is mean this? Bank charges, the employees what have paying the money charges has recorded twice in the cash book. Okay, let us see the next point what will come in the add of the cash book. Check issued but dishonored by the bank. Actually the bank has issued the check to the customer but it is dishonored, so it will come into the add value of the customer books, means cash book. Okay, let us see what all comes into the less value of the cash book. check deposited for paid into bank but not yet collected, cleared or credited by the bank. Check deposited or paid. If the customer will deposit the check into the bank or paid into the bank, it will be the less to the customer. That's why it will come into the less value. The amount is going from the customer, so the amount is going from the customer, it will become less to the customer. The amount is minusing, so it will come into the less value. Deposit check dishonored but not recorded in the cash book. Also it come into the check deposited and it is dishonored the check, so it will be the less to the customer or not. Check deposited, the customer has deposited the check but it was dishonored, so it will be the minus to the customer in the cash book. What is the third point? Bank charges. If bank employees will help the customers in the paying the amount or depositing the amount or withdrawing the amount from the ATM, so the customer employees are helping to the customer in the bank, so the customer should pay some charges to the bank. So the customer will getting loss or not? Yes, the customer is getting loss, that's why it will come less into the cash book. Okay, check entered in the cash book omitted by the banker. Check entered, the bankers have entered the check in the passbook, so it is getting omitted, means what? Failed in the bank. It is failed in the bank means itself it failed in the bank, means it will come less in the cash book. Any amount wrongly debited in the passbook of the bank. Okay, any amount wrongly debited, in the cash book, it will become in the less value. And another debit side of the cash book was overcast, also come in the less value of the cash book. Overcast means what? Paying more amount. Overcast is nothing but the paying more amount. Actually, we, for example, we are depositing the money of the 15,000, but it is overcast, come to the 20,000. So they have written the mistake 15,000. Actually, they have to write the 15,000, but they written the 20,000. So it is minus to the customer or not? He have to pay the extra charges by the mistake of the employees. That's why it come into the less value. Next one, the credit side of the cash book was undercast. This overcast and undercast will come in the cash book in less value. Undercast means what? For example, let us see. Undercast is nothing but that the customer has paid the 10,000, but the employees have written into the 8,000. So undercast means was the amount is getting less. So he has got less amount. He has into the minus problem. Okay, that's why it comes into the less in the cash book of the bank reconciliation statement. Let us see now the pro forma of the passbook. Now we have seen the pro forma of the cash book. Let us see now pro forma of the passbook of the bank reconciliation statement as shown. And there is a shown pro forma and we have to write the bank balance as per passbook and the amount in the inner column and amount in the outer column, particulars, add value and the less value. Let us see now what will come into the add value of the passbook. Passbook means what? Banker's book. Now the bank what will get from the customers will come into the add value, and the bankers which are paying to the customers, it will come into the less value. Let us see now what will come into the add value of the passbook of the bank reconciliation statement. Check deposit or paid into the bank. Check deposited, the customer has deposited the check to the bank, means it will be comes into the add value. Okay, let us see the next point. Deposited check dishonored but not recorded in the cash book. Deposited the check and it is dishonored, so it comes into the plus to the passbook. Okay, next bank charges. It will come to the passbook and it will be the plus to the bankers. Bank charges, insurance, premium, rent, overdraft, all those things will come into the passbook of it and it will be the add value, so it will be the plus value to the bankers. Okay, and check entered but it was dishonored means what, omitted. Check issued means what, it will check already the customer has issued the check to the bankers but it was failed, so it will come to the add and it will come to the less to the customer. Okay, any amount wrongly debited in the passbook. If for example by mistake any amount badly debited, wrongly debited it, so it will come add. If if the customer do any mistake wrongly he has deposit means it will be add to the bankers. Okay, it will be the add to the bankers. Now check deposited in the bank credited by the account. Okay, debit side of the cash book was overcast. Overcast, what I have said is I have explained it in the cash book only. Overcast means what, for certain amount it was increasing into the plus. It was increasing into the and two times above. So like that it is known as the overcast. And undercast means what? Same amount that he has decreasing means undercast. In overcast, certain amount he has increasing means overcast, decreasing means undercast. These all those things will come into the passbook of the add value. Okay. Now what? Let us see what will come into the less value. Check issued or drawn will come if a customer will drawn the check from the bank means bank will get it will be less. Okay, that's why it come into the less value in the passbook. Okay, now wrongly debited given in the passbook also come in the less value. And next one, interest collected means what? Interest collected means what? Means for example the customer will fix to deposit certain amount for a certain period of time. So if we deposit the money, the interest is also taken by the customer only, not the bankers. If the bankers will take any amount, it will be the add to the bankers. If the amount is going to the customer, it will become less in the passbook. In cash book it will get plus to the customers. Okay, but check issued but dishonored by the bank. Actually the customer has issued the check but it was dishonored by the bank, so it will be the less to the passbook. Like this, and this proforma has explained in this pattern. Let us see the how the problem will be there and how to rectify the mistakes what are done in the bank reconciliation statement. See the problem, how to identify the mistakes in the BRS bank reconciliation statement. Now we are going to prepare the account of the cash book. First one, I want to remind you one thing, that this is very important problem BRS. It will come for our examination and it will come for the 10 marks in our examination. So it is very important problem. Please try to understand what I am going to say. Okay. And now we are preparing the cash book. In our examination they might give the cash book problem or they might give the passbook problem. Now I am going to explain both the problems, how they will come in exams, how to identify that they will come in cash book or passbook, and what will come in the cash book add value and what will come in the less value of the cash book. Let us go with the small problem. First one, the problematic will come like that. Mr. Durga Prasad, a sole trader found on 31st March 2016 that his book balance cash balance and balance as per the current account statement and the different. He prepares into the matters. The following further information is available. So the Mr. Now we are preparing the account of the Mr. Durga Prasad. We are preparing the cash book of the Mr. Durga Prasad of 31st March 2016. 31st March 2016. The problematic will be like that. The problematic will be like that. That is bank balance as per the cash book. He will give the certain amount. Okay, bank balance as a cash book means we have to identify that this is the problematic of the cash book. Cash book. Bank balance as per the current account statement means it will be the current account statement. And we have now check deposited but not cleared. Okay, check deposited but not cleared. Direct payments by customers into the bank account. But direct payment bank LIC premium against policy of Durga Prasad. Seventh point, bank charges not created in the cash book. And eighth point, we have that check dishonored but not created in the cash book. Like this, the problematic will be there. Now let us find the solution of the problem, and we have seen the problematic questions. Now let us see the answers, how to prepare the solution of this cash book of the Mr. Durga Prasad, and what will come in the add value and what will come in the less value. Yes, now I have explained about the Mr. Durga Prasad problem. Now we have to do the problem in this solution type. Let us see that the first what is there, we have to write the particulars, amount and amount. No need of writing the debit side and the credits are in the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, we have to write the first one, balance as per the cash book. We have this balance amount in the question itself. We have to take the whole balance of the cash book balance into the outer column. Okay, we have to take this balance into the outer column, and in the inner column we have to write the add values amount. Okay, now we have that the check issued means check issued, how much amount check issued but not payment but not debited in the bank customers, how much amount 17,040 rupees check issued. That this amount should be taken in the inner column of the amount. Next one, what will come in the add value, direct payment by the customers. We have actually seen in the pro forma what will come, all those things. So this direct payments in what will come, it will come in the add value of the cash book. So this amount also we have to take in into the cash book in the inner column account. Okay, these two amounts, now these two values only came into the add value. So these two particulars we have to add. These two amounts should be added here itself and written in the, these amounts should be carried in the outer column. Okay, these amounts should be carried in the outer column. These add value should be added with the bank balance. So these two amounts should be added. Okay, the added amount will be coming the next line. 86,104 rupees will come into the next stage. So these amounts should be carried further less value. Let us see now what will come into the less value of the cash book. Cash deposited but not cleared, it will also come into the less value. How much amount it was not cleared? 19,057 rupees was not cleared. So this check issued will come into the less value of the cash book. Okay, and direct payments, how much direct payments have done? 1,000 rupees. Okay, then next what is there? Bank charges. Actually in the cash book bank charges will come in the less value. So how much bank charges? 17,050 rupees. So these three amounts should be added in the here itself and should be carried in the outer column. These add value and less value should be minused. Okay, These add value and less value should be minus. How much less value came? 33,964. These less value will be carried for the next passbook of the bank reconciliation statement. Bankers will carry this amount. So we have to end this problem like this. As per the passbook amount 33,964 rupees. Okay. Let us see the basic technique. I have understood that. For example, if we are prepared to the cash book thoroughly, no need of preparing the passbook. Not means no should read like that. Everyone should read all those things of the cash book and the passbook. If the basic technique I have used that, if we are thorough in the cash book, then it will be automatically very easy to understand the passbook. Okay, let us see that how it is easy means. In cash book we have the add value and the less value. So I have explained the pro forma already that add value and less value. In the what will come in the add value, it will be the less in the passbook. Okay, what is there in the less in the cash book, it will be there in the plus in the passbook. So these pro forma should understand all everybody, and they should understand very easily, and it will be very easily to do this problematic in our examination. We have to use little technique, and it is, if we understand this problem, it will be very easy to solve the problem and very easy to score the marks in our examination. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. And now in passbook also, what will come in the cash book add value, it will come in the less value. Okay, what will come in the minus value in the cash book, it will be the plus in the passbook. Like this, we have to prepare one book, and we have to understand the books in our problem. In this bank reconciliation is very important, and it deals with our banking system. Okay, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, and have a nice day.